Hello, I'm John Kreitler. Welcome to This Week in the Markets. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve kept the federal funds rate at a range of 3.5% to 3.75%. In the press conference and his prepared remarks, Chair Powell refused to go in the direction of the subpoena issued by the Trump administration and any idea if he will stay on after May, after he's no longer the chair. He talked about the idea of being data dependent, and right now the balance between the labor economy and inflation, where basically the risks were in check. One thing I'm looking at right now is just a rise in all things metal: gold, silver, copper. Part of it is a play against the weakening of the US dollar, and part of it is speculative trading. However, when central banks are now looking to sell US dollars as reserve currency and add gold, it's one thing to look at these things in its totality. A weakening US dollar is good for exports, but in a way we're importing inflation with a weakening dollar to the rest of the currencies in the globe. I'm John Kreitler. This was This Week in the Markets. Have a great week.